Like most archives, we have quite a large amount of amateur home movies, and whilst the standard and Super 8 type formats are quite well known, a bit more of an oddity is 9.5. Having said that, it was enormously popular in its day. It was one of the first amateur gauges that were actually developed, and particularly became popular on the continent, perhaps less so in the UK. But here at Huntley Film Archives, we still have a large amount of 9.5. So when you're trying to identify it, it really is quite easy, perhaps the easiest of them all, because of this amazing central perforation. So instead of the perfs being down the edge of the film, they're actually right down the centre. Now what this gives you is a relatively large frame area. So actually, it's not that far from 16mm, even though it's 9.5, because the perfs take up so little space on the film itself. Remarkably, it was used as an amateur gauge all the way from the 1920s, and here at Huntley Film Archives we even have examples in the 2000s of films made specifically on 9.5.